Never met them no from crack. No. Yeah, me different and me know everybody know. Yeah, clean and judge love me. That I'm at them out. You can't take me thing and give them cause them not no love. Yo. Mic check. Yo, chat, when you're active, I'm put my headphone on charge and forward. Paper, the 2 years, man. 2 years, straight travel for the job. Shane Gad's that could jury from broken buckle. We're born come see it and we'll have to make it happen. I'm summoning no visiting a while. Yo. Hold on, I'ma see if this ready. You hate when that happens, you see dog. I'm a bird. Come to my bird. Yo, chat. Today when? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Me not getting a trade. Me not getting a trade Monday. Cause we never trade Monday. I think I win. Wait, on Monday? Me trade Tuesday. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure. Hold on, chat. Today we have news. No, be a yellow folder. Tomorrow we have some red folder for I think a CPI. So yesterday we traded yesterday, even though it was a bank holiday, I'm still get 2 trades yesterday, chat. But Monday though, let me see. Oh yeah, Monday we did that on the charts for 3 hours, but we never get no entry. So Monday we never trade, Tuesday we never stream cause a bank holiday, and today Wednesday. So this probably gonna be like the first trade and stream for the week if we get a trade today. As I'm say, we never trade Monday and Tuesday. Me trade, but we never like stream, so we not get that. Hold on, chat. Give me a second. Alright, chat. So let me run the analysis. Even I'm not gonna wait no longer. I should me love you fix something, bro. You see me? But my running analysis chat, mark up my levels them. We're not in use today, so it should be good. Today I much 12. Make sure. Yeah, we're not in use today, so everything should be good. We'll have news at like 12 and 1 o'clock. But we're not there at any time there. It's on yellow folder that anyways. So alright chat, the daily can go push up. We finally will break out of the range. Cause hold on, let me get my level. Let me get the pen. So I can mark up the charts and show now. Maybe if I gonna make it too long, or I try and make it not too. I try and make it like so you can understand as easy as possible. Alright, chat. So when I notice on the daily time frame, remember you know we have a level right here, so that did a support, this did a resistance, and price breakout. As I can see, this bullish can go push up and we break out of the range. Never even grab liquidity or nothing. You can go then just push straight up. Alright, I can even draw a straight line. So yeah, chat. You can go then just push straight up as I can see. We never have no liquidity. Basically, price never break out a range like so, and then push back up and close back into the range, and then we build structure and we push up. We never get let me show you. We never get that width there. This would I call this liquidity chat. We never get this. Price just a range and it just pops straight up from in a middle range, right? So you see me. So since we don't have no liquidity, basically me chat, I'm more bearish for the day. I'm bearish for today. After this daily can go print a top week chat. See after this daily can go print a top week, it should be able to flip bearish and we'll push back down. You see my chat. And if that will happen, well, as I'm saying, we should be able to flip bearish and push back down. So this can go print a top week, forward back down, print a high, and we'll just push straight back down. This is how we expect the daily can go for the chat. Once we have like a top week, because this top week where daily can go have, I don't think this is enough. We're probably going to need a steeper top week than that. Yes, in my chat. So once we print a steeper top week, and if they can go mind to reject flip back bearish, we'll start print higher lows. Yes, in my chat. Once we start print higher lows, pan can go. Like we have like a higher low there, so we have a higher low there, so we have another higher low there. So something like that more want to see. Price push up, print a top wick, grab liquidity, close back below the range with structure, higher lows while it's coming down. So hopefully you understand that. So some would look, that's like kind of like the idea we may have so far for today. Here's in my chat. I'm bearish for the day, because we never have no liquidity and we push above the range without liquidity, so most likely price will correct itself. And this 4, I'm gonna drop down to the 4 and say 4 push up, we start range. Yeah. Once we break the highs, close back into the range, we could even look for sells. Hold on, I'm so start mark up my levels then. You see. Just go over all of them time frame from the monthly go straight down to the 1 minute. And the reason I do that, I like to see what the higher time frame them do. Which level the higher time frame them tap on everything. After I do that, after I go over all of the time frame them, after I just did that point all of them drop down to the 30 minute. See a 30 minute are gone. Basically same thing. We push up, then we start for range. I look left and see some. Look at these highs at 41, yeah, 41, 47. The price could basically push up top 41, 47, and then we'll flip back bearish and come back down. Alright chat, so this are the I do some markup now. I will have a better understanding. Hold on. Alright. So I'm mark up the charts now, chat. As I'm saying, I'm not make it too long, bro. It's like once I forward on the charts, I look where all like candle them I do. I forward up with an idea of what price could I do if you candle them I do that. For example, we forward on today and we see the price range. We also see say yo we break out of the daily candle range. Can remember the daily candle range from 40.22 that high resistance to 39. From 39.26 or 39.25 to 40.22. So this is bottom of range, so it's top of range. You see me? We break out the range with this bullish candle. So we break out of the range without liquidity. And not only that, when we drop down to the smaller time frame, we arrange for like the smaller time frame too. So when we expect price push up, break the highs. I'm showing you one last time before we mark up. We expect this daily candle chart. We do something like this. Since we arrange on the daily. And obviously daily candle gonna show that daily candle just look like it a flip bullish. But if you drop down to like the 5 minute, you're gonna see we arrange. The daily candle just arrange right now. You're gonna see that if I drop down to like a smaller time frame. So yeah, we just arrange, right? This one we expect gold for do. Gold can just push up, break the highs, top the level. Me last time I want to say top, I think of 40. I don't even remember like the level, but I go find it back. I think maybe get here for 15 minute time frame. Yeah, I think a 41.75. So if price to push up top that level, and then we start to push back down and get closure back below the range, then would I say yeah, no more look with sales going down chat. Because why? Because look, I basically the same thing like yesterday. Right now price ranging, and we all know after consolidation, see price arranging a little box there. After consolidation, you get a manipulation where price push up out of the range, and then it push back down and close back into the range. You get what I say, chat? So them are candles, them I charge out, you know. So yeah, we in a range right here, so price break out our range, and then we get a bearish candle, we push back bearish and close back into the range. So if that will happen, chat, the next candle open up, print a top wick. Once it print a top wick, I put my sell stop on the candle flip or the candle rebreak at the lows. So for example, say the candle print a low right here, so open up and print a high. So when the candle forward back down, chat, for rebreak its lows, hold on, put this right here, so. Right? You see when this candle forward down, for like rebreak its lows, right here, so. This would have been my sell stop on the rebreak of the candle lows, right here, so. You see me? So if that will happen, would I get activating our cells and would I look with text cells go down towards the range fill. Okay, you can see this at bottom of the range right here, so, and this at the top of the range right here, so. So could I look to take advantage of this range we have going down. You see me? Obviously you have to hold the trade to the full entire range, but this are the range would I expect to get filled. Would I like catch like 40 pips or 50 pips out of the range? This is probably like a 300 pip range. So we now go hold for the entire range, but would I have to take advantage? This is what that's how I get 400, 500, 6, 7, 8. There's a 900 pips chat. This is a 900 pip range. So as I'm say, we would look for hold for the entire range. You see me? That take like 50 pips and we're good. So that are the idea we have for the sales. I'm just explain to you how me even come up with that idea there, you see me? So now I drop down to the smaller time frame and where I do some markup. I mark up my levels them. Alright, so with the same idea in mind though, you know, the idea not change. Just analyze the chart, we have an idea not change. So I got Just I go put some lines on the chart now. Now I have a better understanding. So alright. Remember me say, in order for we take sales, we need liquidity and price a range right now. So when we want to say price do a breakout of the range and top if price can break out of the range, top what you call this? Wait, may I see which one alright, may I use that one here. Alright, so if price break out of the range, top 41.55 and then flip back bearish. Hold on, I'm gonna delete all of them the chat. That are from yesterday trade, bank holiday. Yeah, so 41.54 chat. And I'm showing you how me get that level there too. So chat. Look, remember price in our range right here, so we are range right here, so. I remember me say if price will break out of the range, then we would look for buys. So if this candle can push up, close above the range, here's my chat, and the next candle open up, fill the range. So once this level get tapped at 41.55, would wait to see if price can close back into the range. Hold on, I'm gonna draw that. We are wait to see if price can close back into the range short. Why? Because remember me telling you, after consolidation, price are ranging at this little box here. After consolidation, if price will break out of the range, you would avoid the first breakout. So this would be the first breakout. You avoid the first breakout because the first breakout most likely going to be a fake out. So you don't want to get caught in like the first breakout. So if that will happen, price push up top 54, close back into the range, then we will look for tech sales going down for fill the range. So the next candle will do something like this. Next candle, I even know if you don't understand, but hopefully you not get it. So the next candle, this candle close back into the range after we print a top wick, after we grab liquidity. So when the next candle open up and print a high, we will take no wick entry sales, we will put sell stop on the candle flip. So something like this, a candle open up and the push up first and then fall back down to flip. We will take sell stop on the candle flip for go down. So my sales would they right as a chat. And if we look for sales right here, so we could say yo right here, so would be the range fill, because we have like a support right here, so. Or we could even put that little bit lower. Could I put that little bit lower towards right here, so. So you see we have this right here, so yeah. So this would be the range fill if we get activated in our cells. I'm gonna measure the range by the way. I'm trying to flip towards the range fill. That's like 200 people range, bro. So since that's a 200 people range, I'm gonna hold the trade for the whole entire range. Probably get like 50 pips out of the range and call it a day. But yeah, chat, that are the analysis. Hopefully you understand as I'm say. So boom, I mark a level up there, so. And I mark another level right here, so. Because if we push up top 54, if we push up top 54 and close back below 31, then we'll look for sales. And we'll look for sales go down towards all 4. Or not all 4, because I'm telling you this is a 200 pip range. I'm gonna hold the whole entire 200 pips. But we could have looked for tech sales go down towards the rebreak of the 4 candle lows. That not bad. Rebreak of the 4 candle lows, chat. I'm gonna measure that. That's like 150 pips. Same way. Alright. So yeah, chat, that was the analysis. Hopefully you understand. And the idea for buys, I have no idea for buys as yet, chat. No idea. Because in order for me to take buys, would I seen price would have to print price would have to break above 51. After we break above 51, we print structure. Like for example, something like this. You would look for buys, price would have to push up 51, not 51, 54, 41, 54.70. That would tap, we reject, we tap this level, and then if price to push back up, we would have wait for like another rejection, and on the rebreak at the highs, which what would that be right as up? Yes, in my chat, this would have be the rebreak at the highs right as up. So if price will push up for the second time, so if price to push up for the second time and rebreak the highs, would I get activated in a buys right as up? And yeah, that would have been the idea for the buys, but we'll continue up. And most likely would have closed full right as up on like the first resistance. Let's even check. So yeah, if I take buys, that one would I want to see. Would I want to see like a closure above like the level 54? After a closure above 54, like we have to have structure and its way up. Yes, in the chat, like higher lows. Yeah. So that's the idea for buyers, and the idea for sells. I feel like we're more closer to sells though. We're more closer to sells. For me take buyers, a lot of stuff would have to happen. And as I'm just showing, closure above the range, and we need to close above, and we need to bring structure. Because if we just close above with one candle pop straight up, we'll avoid that. Because once we now have structure, price easier for break. So you have to understand structure. So yeah, that was the analysis. So now we just play the waiting game. Here's in my chat. Remember, a rebreak at the highs. Hold on. Let me show you. Remember chat, a rebreak at the highs. Rebreak these highs. Rebreak the previous high. Rebreak this what we have over here. So once the price push up and broke them there. And if we could have top 54, that would have been ideal. Once we top 54, now we also wait and see if price can close back below the range. Once we get a closure back below the range, after price grab liquidity, closure back below the range, after price grab liquidity, then we will look for tech sales going down chat. Once we get a top wick, no, I use the wrong one. Yeah, once we get a top wick, that would have been my sales for fall down and fill the range. You see me? So as I said, we just need to see liquidity first though. We need to break the highs. Once we break the highs, we're supposed to get some volume. Once we break the highs, we're not gonna attempt weekend tree in a chat. So if we break the highs, we're not attempt no weekend tree sales. We'll wait until price actually close back below the range. That's like a second, that's like a extra confirmation, cause we could have guessed say yo, once we top 54 price will close back below the range, but instead of we guess it, we just wait until price close back below the range, and then we can say yeah, everything good now. So adapt my wait and check. Hopefully you understand. As I'm saying, now we play the waiting game. Let me spark up this. Hopefully you see. I'm zoom in on the chart. But yeah, today look like a good day. Not gonna lie. Didn't even get no trade yet, but today look like a good day so far. Market a move decent. Alright, so as I'm saying, chat, we just have to play the waiting game now. If you have any question about the analysis, anything you never understand, just let me know. Just let me know. I explain it. Break down anything. Turn up your mic a little bit. Alright, bet bro. You know the mic can go way up. It even buck. I'ma turn it up. Yo yo yo. I probably that too low. I'm chill out. I turned down the background music, bro. Turn down the background music. We should be good now. Yo, Monster, that good? That good now, Monster? That good? Or that not make no sense? Put it up a little bit more. Alright, that's supposed to be good right there, so bro, you did that hear the analysis though, or may I have to go redo the analysis again? Let me know if you hear the analysis, dog, or may I have to redo it. And if we continue push down, chat, then we just adjust. You see me? Cause remember, I say yo, I expect a top week up towards 54 areas. If price not do that, and we still have close back below the range with structure, then we'll just adjust. You see me, chat? Hopefully it might not too low still. You know, I'm gonna turn this down some more. Put it at 45. Hold on the chat. Give me like 2 seconds, me forward. Hold on. Before I move, I'm gonna see what I got. Yeah, we got 2 minutes left. We have 2 minutes until the 15-minute can go close, chat. So I just wait and see. Wait and see how that can clear close. Yo, bro, you hear me? Yeah, forward are you not yet? Alright, bro. Go and put in the work, bro. Me link your back, alright? Just link me back whenever you have to. Alright, bro. Oh, you got school? Master, you got school? Oh, your son? Oh, alright then. That's your word, bro. Me live here. You know my channel, though? Alright, man. Send your name, bro. I am there, back. We can go close. Yeah, we get a closure. Let's see. Alright, check. So we get a closure and we get a top wick first. Alright. And we close, let me say, we close respecting as well. The range going down at how much? I'll measure this. And it can go flip towards, that's like 100 pip. Let me see. Would that be like 27? So you know that not bad, but would I need like a steep top wick though? So chat, look. Would I look for tech, or we could take cells. Chat, we could get some cells on the 4 I can go flip. But this hour we would wait on first. You see if this 4 I can go can like push up and tap I want to see push up and at least if we can top that are the rebreak at the highs though. Alright, chat. You see if we break past 31, 40, 31, I'm sure now. This far can go. You see if we break past 40, 40, 31 and we push up. Once we tap like 40, 41, 38, then would I look for put some sell stop and it can go flip check. Cause if this can go push up, print that up, we can flip back bearish. Remember we close respecting, we never close bullish above the range. We're still in at the range. So if we can break out of the range, print a top wick, then reject, break back into the range. Once this can go flip, let me show you. Once this can go flip chat, would I look for take sales, and it can go flip, go down towards the previous can go wick. You see me? But first, we need to see like a top wick. Print a top wick. Flip back bearish. Hold on, I'm gonna try to draw this properly, dog. No, that even makes sense. Hold on, chat. May I try to draw out so I can have a better understanding. So as I said, this can go push up. So I create a push up now. We tap 31. But may I wait and see if we can break past 31, tap at least 38. Here's my chat. Once we flip bearish, like so. That. Alright, see there? Nice. So once we print the high, we flip bearish. This would have been my sales chart. So the next can go pop up. We could have looked for some weekend sales at 41.28 when the next can go pop up, or we can wait until the can go flip. We take some sales and it can go flip. You see me? I remember we can go have a top wick like so. And this are the range fill chat. This are the range fill right here. So the rebreak of the previous 4 candle lows. So yeah, that's how I would look for go about the sales position. So nice, we are print a top wick. Can we push a little bit further? 31 good, but I just want like something just a little bit higher. Not even a little bit higher. That's probably like 30 pips more. Measure from the high. That's like 40 pips, or even if we rebreak the previous candle high, that would be like 54 pips. The more this can go push up at least 50 more pips. That would be good chat. Then would have to put sell stop and it can go flip. Even if you're looking at pass, if you look on then candle, I want to understand the idea behind the trade before me even enter. So chat, look. See what price they're right now. You see, this is current price. But looking at pass, you see, we close in at the range. See which part the bullish can go close, we close right. So see in the past when we close at the same level chat what price though, we print a top wick and then we reject. We print a top wick, we break 54 and we reject. See all of them candle, we print a top wick, we top 38. Right by my level there right now, we top 38, then we reject and we fill the range. We break 38 on this candle, reject, fill the range. We top 41.54 or reject, fill the range. You see me? We top 38 right here, so we reject, fill the range. So if I look on current price chart, we close in at the range. You see me? I just want to see either we top 38 or we top 54. You see, if we top 38, I not enter weekend sales because we not have to flip bearish. We can push straight up past 38, push up towards 54. So yeah. So that's why I put sell stop on the candle chart. Because if we top any one of them level here and then flip back bearish, once you can go flip bearish, it's like now we're back into the range. You see me? So that's when we have to take sales. Sealer. We never top 38 here. Alright. So yeah, chat, that are the plan, you see me? So I draw this yellow line, I adjust it towards the Kango flip, you see me? And my mama say this how I look for text cells below. How much we got? I'm gonna see. I have like what, a minute. I don't know, hopefully the member plan chat, as I'm say. Once we push up top 38 at least. Yo, give me like 2 seconds shot, me I forward. Dreams dog, chasing my dreams dog. One sounds a day, big job for guide me on my team dog. Bro, I wish YouTube never have a copyright thing, bro. I play some music right now. Jano. We get in there. Alright, so top 34. So we'll see if price can manage to reject. Or if we break 34 and we reject at why next level again? 54. 41, 54. We'll see. See, we tap a level chat and we just reject. Flip back bearish. You will see though. Let's see if we can get a closure back below. Remember, we don't look for no weekend share for a level because price can tap this level and reject, of course. And also, we could push up towards 41.54. That's another level where price could also push up towards before we reject. So that's why I'm not taking a weekend share sells. Now wait until price close below. See if this 30-minute candle can manage to flip back bearish, then model start look for sells. So as I said, now we top 41.38. This could be the top week for flip this 30-minute candle. But that are the keyword, it could be, you see me? So what we are gonna do, I just wait for the 30-minute candle flip. If it flip, now we're in this new range, then we can start look for sells. You see me? Instead of just take a weekend trade and hope it can go reject. We'll wait until it reject and close below the range. The volume look dead right now, but my geeks on time. Our time, by the way. 9x 15 minutes and the next 15 minutes we have the comics open, so should get some volume. 9:30. Yo, just a fall back. That's my bad. I see what goal I do. So look like, hold on, chat. Hold on. I hopefully not hear me. Look like we top 38, 41, 38, and then we start for reject. So let me see. 7 minutes left until the 30 close. Me I wait and see if this 30-minute candle can flip bearish chat. You see if it flip bearish, then we're good. But I look for cells going down to fill the range. Let me measure this by the way. From the flip go down towards right, I say it's like 60 pips. Say if within like 6 minutes, this 30-minute candle flip bearish within 6 minutes, I look for cells from below 41.27, go straight down towards, or we can put that a little bit lower. Yeah, go down towards 41. Let me see this level over. See la. Basically the range fill chat 41.20. That's like a 60 pip range. So yeah, let's wait and see if we can manage to flip bearish. We have 6 minutes until this 30-minute can go close. So we'll see within 6 minutes what happen. Measure this. I'm right as a towards a can go flip. That's another 50 pips. So price will have to move 50 pips in like 6 minutes. Or less than 6 minutes. And that possibly is it. That possible. Remember our goal is. So just be patient, chat, and wait and see what gonna happen. This 4 I can go yeah. Now I'm telling you say yo, once this 4 I can go print a top week, you know. If it managed to reject flip back bearish, it should be good, bro. Or anything below you once you print a low towards, yeah, once you print a low towards 41.24, we could look for sales and the rebreak of the lows. Because matter about this current can go chat. See if this current can go for like do something like this. See it open up right here, so and it push up first. See if it flip bullish and we print a low, something like this. Something like this. Hold on. So dry out. So we are gonna have like a top wick at 38, cause as I can see price already top 38. So if it print a low, if it print a low towards 41.24 chat right so, and then price rebreak is low, that would have been my entry. So flip bearish, print a wick at 41.24, and then if price reject, and after I reject a little bit, would I put sell stop on the rebreak of the lows. So if price forward back down, flip back bearish for the second time, and rebreak its lows, would I get activated in a sales right so, and would I look for text sales go down towards the range fill, or the previous 4 candle wick fill right so. It says previous 4 candle chart, could I look for text sales go down towards the wick fill. Think that's like a 60 pip range, as I'm gonna say. We should be able to get some volume soon, chat, at 9:30. Cause 9:30 have the comics open. So volume should be able to get some volume in our market. Let me see some though. See last YouTube video I post. Let me look. Yeah, I post a YouTube video this morning about negative versus steroid. Hold on, me have for give me like 2 seconds. Me have for which one? Mm-hmm. Yeah, as I said, chat, I feel like that video they tough. Yesterday, not yesterday, this morning I post that video. I just me like explain how I catch 2 trades yesterday on the bank holiday. Cause yesterday did a USD bank holiday. I get 2 trades. Just explain like the reason behind the trade, the idea behind the trade. I like the first YouTube video that I ever make. Like I explain, I do a trade breakdown. So I know a video probably shit. My video probably shit, bro, editing and everything, maybe. Cause the reason I'm saying that I'm first video I ever make, you see me, so I not expect that to be good. Alright, so we get a bullish closure in the middle of the range. We close bullish in the middle of the range. So it's like, alright. See if price push down first, chat, look. If price manage to push down first and then flip bullish, the range going up is like a 30 pip range. We could get some buys going up. But without me I talk about like a steeper wick than this. This ain't nothing, chat. More price push down to at least 27. 41.27. This yellow line. Price of a drive down to down so before me look for buys on the candle flip. You see me? Cause even if you look like in the past, like when candles like close right as so, when candles close right as a chat, what basically ham. As you can see in our past, every time we get like a closure above, it's like we usually push down first, push down, sometimes we break 27 levels and we push down further. But majority of the time we tap 27 and then the candle flip bullish. Yes, my chat. And we push up. So that's how I wait pan. I have to buy Z more see like 27 get tap. If we can tap 27 flip back bullish, then we would expect price to push up. We could have looked for buys going up towards 41.36. That's like a 30 pip range. But we need a steeper wick than that though, chat. If price I could just push up with just this mini wick, when I go enter. I say a steeper wick down towards 41.27. That's like 30 go up same way. Even up on the rebreak of the highs would be bad. We get entry on the rebreak of the highs, that would be good too. So yeah, chat. Flip bearish push down. May I look for entries off of the rebreak of the highs this time. Nice. Finally start to get some volume. 30-minute candle, not 30 hourly candle. I try to flip, but we are wait and see. If price push down top 27, I think that would have been the only candle flip. Yeah, that would have been the 4-hour candle flip as well. So if with F27 get top, the higher time frame would have flipped bearish. Yeah, see my chat. So if the higher time frame flip bearish and then we flip back bullish and re-break the highs, that would have been my buys going up. So everything look good so far. Cause as I'm say, if we top 27, the higher time frame would have flipped bearish. The hourly and the 4-hour would have flipped bearish with a steep top wick. But if we flip bearish on the 4-hour and the hourly time frame, and then for whatever reason we flip back bullish and we push back up and re-break this high, we would look for buys going up towards 38. At that flip though, and look at the level. Like, you see how my level just get top chat. Like, look, just look. Remember, even before this candle, when this candle just open up, before we even push up, me telling you say, yo, I'm gonna expect 41.38 get top before we get some rejection. And look, 41.38 on the dot. We need to break it nor nothing, and then the candle start reject. Double analysis, bro. Double analysis level they active. So as I'm say chat, yeah. We'll see if we are got top 27. Like yeah, you can call it a top. Can go flip bearish, yeah. So now, remember I'm telling you, if price reject, push back up and re-break the highs. Let me see what level we have the highs them at. If we re-break the highs at 41.34, more look for buys going up. Cause why price would I re-break the highs? If price want drive down, it can push down now. You see me? We have a huge top wick, flip bearish back into a new range. Price want drive down, it can go down now. If we flip back bearish, push straight up and re-break the highs, then would I expect price just like go up and fill the range. Cause to get a chance to drive down and we just flip back bullish and push back up and re-break the highs. Cause the re-break of the high is important in a chat. Cause if you just push back up but you not re-break nothing important, that no matter. You see me, push up not really matter. You have to break like the levels them, like the key levels them. And as I can say, once we break 34, once we break 41.34, you would expect a quick pop up towards 41.38. So now we're pushing back up nice. We'll just wait and see. We'll get closer and closer to a trade. Hold on, chat. So I gone kinda late to the charts. So I'm just gonna do something like a while. So we break the high and we push up. So I miss a trade. So remember I'm telling you, maybe I look for entries on the rebreak of this high. Go up towards 38. I end up miss a trade. A little short of time me get up. So I go still. Some people just annoying, bro, I swear. It's fucking annoying, dog. Yo, chat. I just wait. I just wait for like. Alright. Some people just annoying, bro, I swear. Booklet. Yo, me a far chat. Give me like 2 seconds, bro. And my vibes just broke, dog. I'm booklet, you. I'm just tired of people, dog. see pre man. Alright, just link. Alright, let me look. That app there, let me see it. Yeah, I hit. I hit that, bro. Yeah, just download it. When you download it, you link me back. I mean, alright, bro. Create an account and thing. You know, if you create a Discord account or you never do it yet, easy still. Yeah, just follow a step them, bro. Yo, me I link you back when I done stream. You see it and me you go through it step by step. But you can just go and do it still, cause it's not hard, you see me? Alright, bro. If I can't do it, me soon connect you. The girl just annoying, bro. Man, miss all my trade, dog. Yo, chat, right now, it's like, me just get throw off, bro. Thing just throw me off, dog. Yo, you know what? I just delete everything, chat, and get some new levels mark up since we miss a trade. Bro, I wanna try for like stay away from people, dog. It's like impossible, bro. Cause people are gonna just find you, dog. And then always, I don't know what's wrong with them timing. Them timing just perfect. They always do some fuckery at the wrong time. It's not like they do it when you leave have nothing to do. They always come with them fuckery at the wrong time, bro. I'm not even see nothing while me I do my analysis. Never see nothing while me I wait for you trade. And as soon as she say something, I go out the door and come back and I miss a trade. Bro, how you so bad lucky? Like, I never choose to call you. You call me at the worst time, bro. How long me there analyze the chart and I wait for your setup? And you never call me, dog. Look, a girl, let me tell her, bro. It's like, she's just annoying, bro. Well, I'm trying to just mark up my levels and back, easy me. Before I can go rebreak at the lows, so that'd be way better. Hold on, chat. May I try get an understanding of price right now. Hold on, just give me like 2 seconds. See which part me I gotta get some inches from. So from the can go flip towards the rebreak, I highs at a 36. And look like what I say we have clean range. Could I go break even at? Could I go break even at 41.37? So that could have been good. Alright, so I'm putting on a level right there, so at 41.37. That would have been break even. This would have been TP. And measure the full range. Alright, that would have been bad. Can I even adjust this? Don't need a closure above though. Alright, chat. Say, may I look for buys from the rebreak at it. 5-minute candle highs, but price just pop. You see me? So when that happen, nothing you can't do about that. You see me? You never push up slowly, just make a quick pop up. That's how you go. I'm gonna say this though. Oh, even minute candle never close. Minute candle just a fly. Never fill the entire range. Yeah, chat. So it look like we're gonna pop up, fill the range. Yeah. And we're not getting an entry. I saw you go. In order for me get an entry, me gotta expect like is either we did get an entry after the last candle while we have push up and rebreak the 5-minute candle high, and we get an entry after this new minute candle. But me gotta expect this main candle for flip bearish first, and then we'll put buy stop on the rebreak of the high. If we push up towards 39. But as I can see, you can just pop straight up. Well, that good still. I just be patient. You see me? I'm not FOMO in or nothing. Not FOMO in or nothing, chat. If price not give me an entry, I just say go. Alright, I'm gonna say this look decent though. Could I just adjust my levels and put that 31. Well, I'm keeping on say 31, 41, 39 on the rebreak of the 15-minute candle highs. We have range going up. Measure this by the way. It's our 17. 30. I would have work with that right so. Would have work with that. So from the rebreak of the highs going up, that would have be clean range. Alright. We have structure. I say this overlay candle of structure. M15 candle did reject print a week before we flip bullish. So we have structure in this overlay candle going up. We have 7 minutes left. So that would be bad, chat. So I'm gonna say we are get close though. I will print another week down again. Alright, nice. So chat, you know what I'm gonna do? This is how much I look for get entries. You see me? This is how much I look for get. Hold on, bro. This is how much I look for get entries, chat. You see, more see like price rebreak is highs at 31, not 31, 41, 39. You see me? But this are the thing though. Watch this. Most barely a move. So I think though, chat, is like this 5-minute candle. We have 1 minute. 1 minute left. You see me? So it's like before me take entry on the rebreak of the highs, me not go put buy stop there right now. Because we have a minute left. What me I go do? I wait and see if we get a closure above the range. Look like we get a closure above the range. We only have a minute left. That's not too long. So once this can go close above the range, the next 5 minute can go open up. May I wait for the next 5 minute can go open up and push down first. You see me? Or if we can print a top wick first, that would be ideal. So if the next 5 minute can go open up in a 30 seconds, print a top wick first, and then we flip bearish, push down, and we top 36 or 37, that would have been good. That would have been good. And you see, if this can go chat, you see if this can go for yeah, you see if the same can go for flip back bullish, so this can go flip back bullish. After we push down, we flip back bullish and we break the highs, we re-break the highs. That would have been my entry on the re-break of the next 5-minute candle highs. You see me? But as I'm saying, 5-minute can go down for print a low first. Alright, nice. We close above. So can we print a high? Well, we print a low first. As I'm gonna say, if we print a high first, that would be ideal. But I'm gonna see. Probably can get something now for a can go flip. I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, that good. That was 27. Break even could have been at 41.29. Alright, chat, nice. So you see this candle push down for your bottom wick. That decent. So what me I do, chat? Yeah. What me I do? Me I put buy stop on the 5-minute candle flip. We have 3 minutes left until this close. Yeah. Chat, me I put buy stop on the 5-minute candle flip at 4139.31. Hold on, let me see if I can place that real quick before this push. Medieval have MT5 load up. Channel. Alright, chat, so I never I'm gonna enter. Alright, so I just enter buys, you see me? I enter buys on the candle flip. But I think them put my entry right so. So chat, this are the buys on my enter, you see me? 5-minute candle flip. Would I expect just a push up towards 42.81. This level right as a chat. So this would have be the TP level, and my stop loss would have be on the rebreak of the lows. Do some measurement and see how much that. It's like 150 pip stops. That would have be 190. Let me see. Rebreak of the 4 candle lows, yeah. That good. Alright, chat. So yeah, this I trade, bro. I enter up on the candle flip, stops on the rebreak of the 4 candle lows. You see me? And yeah, TP at 42.78. One minute flip back bearish. Close below the range. So now we're in a drawdown. Let me measure this. See this how much drawdown. 40. So here you go. But as I'm say chat, may have stop span the 4 candle lows, you see me? I'm giving you the exact level. Stop loss is at 41. Yeah, 41. Place it matter of fact. 41.24.27. That's how we have been my stop loss. But I'm placing in a MT5. 41.24. 41.24.27. GG's. But yeah, chat, that are the trade, you see me? We have like what? We have like 40 seconds until we get a closure. So chat, may I just wait and see if we can get like a bullish closure above the range, you see me? We have 20 seconds. After a bullish closure above the range, you're expecting next candle for open up. and pop and push down first. Yeah, next candle open up, push down first, so might come down towards 31, no 41, 33. This level we have right here. So if we open up, if the next candle open up right here, so we might push down towards 41, 33 and then flip bullish. So would I expect some more drawdown. This candle, even if we are gonna push up on this candle, we need to print like a bottom wick first. So that basically mean more drawdown, is it? I see if we could get like a pineapple entry chat, that wouldn't be too bad. Like a second entry. That would be like the first pineapple me take past stream since me forward back. Would I say anything at like 31, yeah, 31, 33 would that be good. And this hour, it's like the next 23 pips. So as I say, if me would I take a second entry, would I have to push down further than that chat. I don't have to say goal, push further. Alright chat, once we tap like 31, 33, would I take like a second entry, a second buy entry. But me couldn't know still. Might be a market execution. Might be a market execution chat, but would I feel like it depends on how we forward down. Yes me. We print structure on the way down before we tap 41.33, then would I just avoid the buys. But if we not print structure and we just get one straight pop down, you see me, like this, like if price open up and it just pop straight down top, then would I market execute buys. Cause would I expect it can go flip bullish. And once it can go flip bullish, top like 36, 41, 36, we could have be out. Would I be out of both trades in profit. But yeah, we never get a top. We never fall down and tap the level completely. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Draw down. I saw was how much. Was like that was a 51 pip drawdown. No mean like 15 pips drawdown. Hold on, I'm gonna say something. So chat, I wanna see if this candle can actually give you a closure back above the range. If we get a closure above 39, that would be good. If we can manage to close above in a like 1 minute. And chat, remember 41.27 would have been my break even area chat. Once we tap that level, my risk free the trade. Alright, as I'm say chat. Can we tap 41 levels? Can we tap 41? Soon as we tap 41 chat, may I go break even. Alright, I get a closure in a minute. If the next can go push down first. Alright, chat, I'm close full. Alright, chat, I'm close full just now. As soon as that can go just pop, I'm close full. I even get a chance for go break even. I just close full the entire position. But TP basically gets smacked, bro. Like, if you're not close full, I don't know how to tell you. That's like 2 pips away from TP. Or you're going to risk 2 pips for the freaking 26 or 27 pips, so we're already up. The extra 2 pips don't really matter. Double your trade chat, my close full. Hello, my style. But that was a trade though. Hopefully you understand the idea behind the trade. We had a little bit of drawdown. We had 50 pips drawdown. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna see chat. We had like a 54 pip drawdown. Yeah, 51 to be exact. And we just catch 28 pips off of that trade, yeah. So yeah, chat, double your trade. Too fast that pop, and even get a chance for go break even. But yeah, chat, hopefully you understand the idea behind the trade. And that is it, bro. If you have any questions about the trade, just ask. Feel free to ask and answer any questions you have about the trade. And but yeah. No, I just journal this chat. I forgot journal this. But that was a clean trade though. As I said, we enter buys and like the I think it was a 5-minute candle flip. Yeah, we enter upon the 5-minute candle flip. We had like a little bit of drawdown. I think the drawdown was like 52 pips. Yeah, but everything still play out chat. I'm gonna go back and show you. Yeah, this was my stop loss. My stop loss was on the rebreak of the 4-hour candle lows. Cause I would expect the 4-hour candle to rebreak the lows before we fill the range. Like if price, cause remember my entry was right here on this 5-minute candle flip. But we had some drawdown. But my stops was on the rebreak of the 4-hour candle lows. This right here. This right here the 4-hour candle lows. So more to expect price for push down. If price I go push down from here, more to expect price for push down like this. More to expect price for push all the way down and break the 4-hour candle lows. Before we break the 4-hour candle lows, would I need liquidity? So for example, chat, price I push up. Hold on, I'm gonna draw this out. For example, price I push up, right? Price I push up. My entry was right here, and my TP level was at 41.42. My entry was at 41.39. But this was the idea behind the stops chart. Since we have the 4-hour candle low right here and gold pushing up with structure, cause obviously we have like a low right here, so we have another low, we have another higher low right here, so we have another higher low. You see my chat. But yeah, we never have the one day yet. The higher low you never print yet. After we enter a trade, we go in a drawdown, we print this one. So yeah, the stop loss was on the 4-hour candle lows, because if price a push up, more to expect price for just push straight down and re-break the lows, like so. More to expect price for do something like this and re-break the lows before price push all the way down and re-break the lows. Would I need to grab liquidity first? So like this, I want me to expect. Price can push down, of course, we're going to drawdown, but the key thing is we never break the lows, the 4-hour candle lows. So we had some drawdown, price push back up, chat. We print another wick right here, so we push back up after we print another higher low. So this are the thing, chat. You see, if price push up, grab liquidity, then close back into the range, now we can say, yeah, price have a high chance for forward down and break the 4 rectangle lows. Why? Because we now have liquidity. We now break the highs and we grab liquidity. So now is a high chance price continue down and take out this 4 rectangle lows chart. But we need liquidity first before that happens. So that was the idea behind the stop. So without liquidity, we would expect price to break the lows. So we had like 50 pips drawdown, but price still correct itself and push up. So now chat, now if price for reject and we get a closure back into the range, if price for do something like this and we get a closure back into the range, now is a high chance we're forward straight down towards the breaker structure, which is like the 4 rectangle lows. Because we have liquidity now. We break out of the range, grab liquidity, and we close back into the range. So it's a high chance we continue further down. So that was the idea behind the stop loss, you see me? Whoa, goal a fly. Goal a fly chat, but I'm out. So yeah. I don't know why my mouse a bug, dog, I swear. So yeah, hopefully you understand the idea behind the trade, the idea behind the stops, and even the idea behind like the break-even level. But that is it though. If you enjoy the stream, you can just drop a like and me see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have news. I think we have CPI tomorrow. So that gonna be a good day. But for right now, I'm done for the day chat. Me see you on Thursday. Yeah. Just remember to drop a like, drop a sub. But for right now, that is it chat. You see me?